those people who are working in the hospitals, is it okay for them to pray without doing sujood on the ground or not? طيب يعني what is the problem, brothers and sisters? Sometimes the question is not accurate, or it is very general question. يعني for example, a doctor or a nurse or whatever writes a question to the sheikh. Sheikh, I'm working in the ICU, and if I do sujood on the ground, then there is more risk to get the infection of corona. So is it okay to pray without doing sujood on the ground? يعني, you know, they put the question not in the right way. يعني, it should be in more details. Okay, because now يعني, there are many questions around this situation. So what is the timing for your work inside the ICU or inside the room of the corona patient? Are you working, for example, 10 hours or 15 hours? Okay, is it not allowed strictly, يعني if it is it very strict to leave the room? You should stay in the room 10 hours continuously or not? Okay, يعني exactly, well, I don't know about يعني all the ICU or about the situation of the person, but I mean the question should be in more details. Okay, because number one, can you leave the place to eat or drink or to the toilet? Okay, if you can leave for eating, drinking, okay, go for a prayer. Can you change? Is it easy to change the dress or not? Can you pray inside the room with your own carpet or not? And also, there is an important point. We are, يعني, especially the Muslim countries, or if all the staff are Muslims, you have to put the shift according to the salah timing. يعني for example, wallahi, we need to stay 8 hours. So I should stay from 10 a.m. until 6 p.m. So I miss the time of dhuhr. Okay, if we are Muslims, change the shift. يعني make the shift, for example, from 7 morning until يعني something 3, make the time less. I mean, we should do our best effort to apply the rules of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala exactly. As the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Sallu kama ra'aytumuni salli." Pray as you saw me praying. But if you reach to a situation you cannot, then khalas, it is considered as an excuse. But the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Salli qa'iman." Pray while standing. If you cannot, then sit down. If you cannot, then lying down. So step by step. And also, يعني, if there is a committee or there is a group of doctors to discuss, not only to write, to discuss this issue with a group of scholars, it will be inshallah more beneficial. So please, doctors, don't write a question without details and you send it to one sheikh, or يعني, once, يعني, try to go as a group, or you can do a group in the Zoom and you discuss this issue, and inshallah يعني, the conclusion will be beneficial for you and for everyone.